Hello, this is Tariq Habib. Today I am going to show you how to use and catch errors and exception in Laravel. Hope you are alright. I already done the project and I am showing you the output. After that I will make a project and do the code from the scratch, and I will show you everything and how to catch the exception error and then display in the view. Just now see the output. If I don't give anything in the text box and click the search button, then it would show the error message. See, it's showing that the name field is required. Okay, if I give here only one character, then click search button, then what would happen? The name must be at least 3 characters. It is showing. If I write the right character or the name which is existing in the database, then it is showing the value. See, username David, it is in the database. See here in the MySQL database I have one row data in the users table, and that is David. Name is David, so it's showing name is David. So I am going to show you how to do this programming and catch the error and exception and then display in the view. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to code. At first I will write to route for the code. Route is get method. And the URL name is, say anything like search, and then another parameter is the controller name and the name of the function in the controller. Just copy it and paste it here and change the controller name. Controller name will be search controller. Search user controller, and the function name is index, and the second route name should be search user, and the function name is search user, and I will give it a name. Search.user, and I will create a controller here. PHP partition, make controller name with all the resource. Okay, controller is created. Now I'm going to open the controller. Search user controller. Okay, inside the index we return the view. and the view name should be input show. Yeah, and we'll write another program, another function. And the function name is search user. Yeah, okay. In the search user, at first we will validate the user input. Validator is equal to validate. We will make a instance of the validator facade by the make method. Yeah, the first argument should be request all. Yeah, request all is the data to be validated. Yeah, the field value must be required. Yeah, and it should be minimum 3 character. That's the piping character, and then right here min 3. Yeah, it means if you write the name on the text box, the name should be at least 3 character. Okay, now if the validator fails, what happens? Yeah, it will redirect you to the previous page. If validator fails, then it return to the previous page. Return redirect. Okay, what is the previous page? Is the search. Here search, and with errors. With errors is a method which actually take the array or validator as a parameter, and it catches automatically error and exception, and you can show this error and exception in the view page. With errors. Yeah, the validator with input. Okay, then we'll search the database and fetch the data, username. Yeah, user facade, then method is where. Yeah, the first parameter is name, and the second parameter is equal to, and the third parameter is the given data. Yeah, which I give here. See the data here. So data should be request get name. Request get name, and I will call the faster field method here. Then I return the value. The first parameter is the view name. Yeah, what is the view name? View name should be search user. Yeah, search user with the parameter. Yeah, compact username. So we will make two view. Yeah, one name is input show and another name is search user. Okay, search user. Okay, good mistake here. Yeah. Anyway, now I'm going to create the view. New file, input show dot let.php. Yeah. And another view is what is the another view name? Search user. Dot let.php. Yeah. Anyway, I'm writing here some code to catch the errors. Yeah. Error and exception handling already in the Laravel, but we need to write some code to catch the exception and error and display in the view. Yeah. If and if. Yeah. Then we'll write the condition inside the if statement. If errors any, then it will come inside the div. Yeah. And I write here class alert ranger. Then we will write a UL unordered list. Yeah. Then we will write a loop to print the data, error data. Yeah. For each errors all, yeah, as error. Then end for each, yeah, and inside that we will write list. And inside the list we will print the error. Yeah, if any error occurred, yeah, it come inside the eval and print the error by the for each loop. Yeah, now we will write this thing, yeah, this text box and button. We write form, and inside the form we write the method and action. Method should be get method, and action should be, what is the action name? See here, we give a name of this route, yeah, search user. This should be the action name, yeah. Not like this, you have to write this one. Route. Yeah, and then right here on input type text, input type equal to text, and name is equal to name, yeah, and the bottom, input type bottom. Input type should be submit. Yeah, so here the method is get and the action is search user. Yeah, it will call the route search user. Input type text and name, and input type submit will search. Yeah, I save it, okay. And now after, when you click the search button, then it will call the route this one, yeah, and it already I wrote the code here. It at first it evaluate the data, then it if fails, then it return redirect, and otherwise it get the username and send the view search user the username. Yeah, so we go to search user and print here username. User name, yeah, and don't forget to add the classes here. Yeah, use classes. And I'll write it here and I copy it from here. Yeah, use the request, yeah, and the validator, user, and db. Don't forget to add these things. Yeah, let's see the code here. It's alright. I save it, save it. Okay, now write this to the browser. Yeah, this address to the browser. If I give the true name which is existed in the database, then it should show the name. Yeah, see, username David is stored in the database. Yeah, see here, David name. Yeah, so I think it's alright. And if I give just unknown value, then what it show here? See, it's show not found here. So I think that's all for today. See you in the next lesson, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. All the best. Bye.